Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an kublei phi baro ginigilong ki khubor bam tagasni Ummentri katnad legal metrology Sanbor Shullai ulakhot jingalang kirki barki bor bakmi yekani katnad ban bisharpnya yekajing traikam ban penkhan shushu yekajing pentraikam jangka legal metrology act 2009 lembat ki rule ki bala bo da ka sarkar hagani ka jingalang kila don ringkat ru DM Suja MCS Controller Legal Metrology, A Nikla IAS Additional Secretary Legal Metrology Department, U Mintri Ulapan Pau Bakalonga Basngosi Banlam, Baki report Halor Gajinkin Raj Wat Bnya but Jinglap Ki Kis Kiba Penken An, Kilong Giba Duna but Kiba negative ba. Uloong Bakani Katnat Kadeka Bakong San, Namar Kapenti Kanaba Upat ba on your weight and measure. Babet Hakimarba Madi Petrol Pump Dukan Karkhana Industrial Products Batkiwe. Shullai ula hukum ya Tnad bahaswan ru posngi. Kadaiban wan baru officer kajingken halor katu kat neki kis kilalap haki district bapher. Kat nungut staff badon bat ke badon kam ka jingtri kam ki inspectors and field officers bat kino ki benta bahaban penklan hagrukam trai kam. Ulo ongru bagatnat kahab ban penshai balai gajing kenra kaduna wad haba upat ba ula kli shapang gajing long jingman ha jaka demar. Umentri ula ai jingmut ban penbon yak inspectors but staff haki feel penklan yak infrastructure and manpower structure. Penbet yak jing e badon ha gajing penken an ula kdo baka legal metrology kadigatnat kabakta ba ha gajing im upat ba. Namar kadawa bagi produk bo upat ba uthir kinlong ki babean. Ben but thep pura khamtam hakapor bagador kalakiyo. Ula batharu bagi field inspectors ki deban sedang tre kamadon adu la syai kesngi but ban kendra kham shakmat kum haki petrol pump dukan industrial units bat ki way. Katnat kalapan pau bakan bishar biang yaki rule ki basyam ki basadien bat ban penhun yaki jingdan kam jong upat ba. Menteri Tnad Legal Metrology uba Sanbor Shullai ula ong baka sarkar kalavai ban penkhan shibun ya ka Legal Metrology Act 2019. Kanang bagi pat ba kanat na gijing syatu jing syale shiliang bat gijing bamsam ha ka jingdi jingtit man kasngi. Ha ka jingyalang kabla long ringkat Tnad Legal Metrology ke bala donlang kide UDM Suja MCS Controller of Legal Metrology bat ka Nikla IAS Additional Secretary la shimkhya ye kilat ban penkhan ye gajing penyat ye gani kaan. Uba Shullai ulakdo bagi pat ba akide ban longi basngau tho bat sa khut bat ladadon kinu gijing shitom ne jing sha to ha gajing thau jingkhya. Kum gajing di khajna palan jing thau bakla ne jing khen ben kide ban ujor bet shakatnat legal metrology. Ula ongru babon ki nongdi kidang le menti ye ki kendon an kum gajing di ki mar ki berit rice sugar bat kum ta ter da gador ka bakham shirkhei ne da ka bathau khlem kendon kum ta katnat kala pentri kam ya ki inspection team bar ka jingyak bathau manla ka por menteri ula ongru bagatnat kadon tang ka we ki inspector hakatu ka ne ki district ka bapin no ya ka jingtrai kinong tray ki haban net chigi jingyalang manna kapor ka bakham penslam ye jing shimkhya ha ka jaga tray ka sarkar ka pet bnya ban ai jing krishan bat jing khan shu ye katnan ka jing tray kam katnat kan khamrunti la da ki pat ba ki no sinyang da ka ba ai jingtip bat ujor la dalap ye kanu ka jing bambiang la benrap uba Shullai Umentri ula pentip ka sarkar kan benteng ban pelong jing pensyai ye ki pat ba bat ban penklan ye ka jing wat bnya inspection Knang bakinong di kin omla banne ben yakinong thi.
Today we have this first review. This will be the second review meeting, right? Which we had along with all the this office to revamp and to review the functioning of the department. So. First of all, the requirement of the department is, you see, in the entire state of Meghalaya, we are having only 50. 30. Only 30. 13 inspectors in the entire state. So there was so we have discussed to to enhance the structure of the staff. So we have to leave it to the wisdom of our as chief controller of the department and the director with the consent to examine, and we will place it next in the meeting. We approve and send it to the government. So how many required in district headquarter wise? We have suggested maybe in place of one assistant, another 8 up to 10 district headquarter wise. So now, as per the report, this is very important department in connection with the to-day life of the people at large, especially in the be it the cement or the petrol or the diesel or the eatable items that the people are buying. So when we ask from the department since the inception of our state 1972, how many cases has been penalized, how many cases has been detected, have you penalized, how many of them, but the report is very negative. So that we have decided and we are giving the department 6 day time, 60 day time to submit the status report. 60 days time, the status report. So other things which we have discussed is that the officer in the field, the inspector in the field, they should be very sincere, and from tomorrow they should go and check at their level. We do consultation with the controller of Metrology and the director. We do consultation, so they have to go. And the chief controller, I have entrusted her and director of the department from which trade shall they start. Maybe they will start from the petrol pump, then after that the weight bridge and other trade, subsequently other trade. So all these things they have to submit a report within 60 days. So that's why we are inviting all of you from the press and the electronic media also, that it should go to the knowledge of all the traders and also especially the general public as to create awareness to the general public also, that they should know that this department is working for that. So we appeal to the general public that they should not hesitate to file a complaint to the inspector, to the nearest police station, and especially to us, even to me as a minister also. The complete action will be taken in under, and as per the law, the action will be taken. It will create awareness because nobody, for the last since the inception of the state, they don't go. I mean, like in a sincere manner to check. So the general public also, they go buy from 1 kg as told by our chief controller, additional secretary. If you buy 1 kg, you pay 1 kg of rice. You pay the 100 rupees, but but if you remeasure it in your friend house, you are getting less, maybe 20% less. So this is happening, but until unless we create awareness, people will not know about that we have the power, the government have a power through this department to check all these illegalities.
In the past, awareness was from time to time, but then it was not sustained. You should go for surprise inspections, but like the minister has said, and has been brought to his notice by the controller, that this is a severe manpower crunch since the inception. One inspector covering the entire district is. So at present,
Ma'am, so how many?
The workout I have said earlier, maybe in place of one in one district, we may enhance to 10 in one district.
May not,
May
depending
not,
upon
it depends on the
the act,
Right.
because we also function under the act. Whether the act allows for more than one, yes, no. If yes, what to do? If no, what else to do? Perhaps it may not be at that level, it may be at another level, but certainly to help the person in charge of the district to carry on this work, because this impacts them. They call for everything. They call for meetings every time. That also cuts into their working period. These are things that we...
Since we are having ibu musuh hari, kamu tahu sudah kuno dah soru, nung ikan tak basai bang idon ni kan kaan deh, idon ni kan kaan bang idon cek, ikan ni jing tu, bila tu, ni lah nung, mentah musuh no kamu pilih tiet ukau sekilo, ai sanpok tengah sekilo, kamu bisa pilih ai sanpok mentah sekilo. Katakan dijemput jangan ke department. Dia kat bawa pindah lek tahu biang yang udunai ke sekilo tu, mat 10% lah udunai. Kat no kelak tak akan tu minggu berdua tu. Tekabut kadang lek ke kubur ke bagi pai ba bur ki Jingtip, bagari ke department kadon, kam simle terekam lah. Agri sistem ke baru kam terekam tu pai baru metin. Pipilek pi on sekilo, lalek lah ayu tipat kadang ke jingsa, od khazanah tu ke pi nak bobi bobi teh penyang petrol ne ke simen ne ke ukau na ki marba mardi ki jungpi kaksiar ki baru ki habut dah ngira ka de kubur ki pat baru ki bagi duk tiplen ka de department ka an gadon ka sorka agar ke jing tu ne dan bagi create our bagi check dan dia smart bagi appeal ru nang ne syak ki pat ba hadin ke lagi bagi duk tip ki pat ba baru ko ka state ki tip ka ki terbutkin once ka pat ki do ki ba mbonge dulu kibayu kim ni berting kim ni bisa tinggi don kiwara yang komplain lan ka jing ujor sengi level jo kipat baru kila bali tit naga dukan master AC kilo lipat tu sawai ban lala buduna kumia kata kipat ba ki file komplain sengi karkum ka ngin sem action ni gitu ki dukan leni ki perpom lagi ki dukan dobilat ne ki dukan hardware ki dukan ke bagi traders ki dukan jingtip ke bagi jing dukan ba man gasni te ki pai baru ni don kam menyarap jadi bikin wala ya komplain sekarang ba ngira bensim action ya tidak kiki jing tu jadi habo ka jelas jadi bro katakan ke jing juga meeting tas based on the public complaint we know that in the entire state if they are sincere. If the officer, I have given even an example that one Hindi movie acted by Anil Kapoor, one day chief minister. One day chief minister. See what happened if you watch this film. Within one day, he have cancelled thousands and thousands of, and he have even suspended his officer then and there in the spot. So that's why I have given the encouragement and we have appealed to them also to be sincere, and from tomorrow they have to walk in the field. Well, we are very surprised, that as per the record, since the inception of our state, they have not detected any. Maybe they have not gone to the field sincerely to check all these illegalities. Right?
Per district minimum. To confess, I've not really gone through everything of the act that allows us or not to have more than one inspector per district. I must confess, I've not really gone into that. Certainly one inspector per district. So if the act allows maybe more than that, and it's a central act, the act does perhaps some other posts that can assist, perhaps. But certainly, like the minister said, something has to be done, because for every person out there, there's so many people. If every person is defrauded of 10 rupees per day, you calculate that in terms of the population of the entire state. Think of the revenue of the government, think of really sunk in. Because this deals with inaccurate, it's the right of every consumer to get what they paid for. If I paid for 1 kg, I should get 1 kg, nothing less. That is the job of this department. Actually, it's a huge job. And it actually should be protecting everybody's interests, especially the ones at the lower income group, because they are the ones who are impacted the most. If they earn 150 and they're paying 50 rupees extra for every item because they have to buy it 2 times, 3 times, because they're not getting 1 kg. So why this has taken some time, I don't know.